Okay, today I will show you this Colgate pump. So just a normal toothpaste that we know, the Colgate, but comes in a different packaging. So you can open this one. So that's a pump. So you can, when you press this one, then the Colgate, the toothpaste will come out here. So normally the more time you use this one, then this one at the bottom will push the toothpaste out. This will go up. I'll show you. So when you press this one, see, it's coming out. Then it's time to put in the toothpaste and ready for toothbrush. Okay, thank you for watching.